is in, it is really alarming. It is really alarming because when you look at Mr. Nzabara, you cannot even maybe possibly get an appetite to eat food or to eat meat.
Nzabara Bwambare w'emyaka nkaaga mutuzi w'ekyaro kya Kikoka mugombora ya Buhira mu district ya Kasese wamazire emyezi mushanju gona n'endwara yatarikumanya. Bwambara yatoborera ngu akakwatwa endwara egi omu kwezi kw'okubanza kw'omwaka ogu kandi akaba ari omu musiri yahurra omubiri gwatandika kumurya kw'okuteekateeka ngu n'ebinyaatsi ebyabaire naata omu rutookye ngu konka kuhahwireho obwire bukye yatandika kuhurrwa. Mukasheshe k'izobe lyakuratsireho embere katandika kuhinduka bwanyuma yo kutandika kugira ebihere aha mubiri gwe. Bwambara nagira ngu bwanyuma yo kumara obwire akatandika kutunga ebironda byaba biri obuhere byahinduka ebironda bihango kandi n'okuhitya obwire obu takatungaga bujanja bibwona.
Nero bwabara bwinanga ingana kesiribwa namaye suna namaye kakoto namaye kakor nabarenga ngatasyaboka namalangrititibwe bwabiriwa bwaserera buti hwingo modo abandu balwaro obuhera bwakera namaya wolobo tsupa buno manyambo no bwabananga bana matsemose mutabuhirumu ohemirako namaola bone mitoro ibiri namabenga bohakaba namanga bohakaba namanga nabiryowe nahakaba nama obusibwa manyahwarako neribwa bwamanda tribwe
Ithungu Stajora urumuko mushaija ogu yagira ngu taine irwarire batakashyiremu kugeza aho kuragurira nkonka berane yongera kutabuka.
Twamalwe St. Paul twamende eyeri ibwabere so twabe tukalwe yeri twamenda rwa Sande geni eri akabere twabyenda eri akabere bamapima bamamusara kwengobo kukutwe bamusara kwengobo kuchitrewo bamapima nero dokta mawati ye atasana ndi mutaka kwa njengo nemikimu yana muyabula sana ndi mutaka kwa njengo nibwambo mumutwale esa hasa hanu buhinga muronde emitwalo 15 dokita mukaya mutomera nari mwamwe emitwalo 15 na nyasinyama sarako nyama nari binyana twalayo bimutwatoka eritambera.
Stajora nagira ngu burkanto kubabere bine bakakato magara go museijo go kugeza aho kujanja bekirwara cyo batakumanya konka no kwityo bwiro uti bakoreba ho mpinduka yona
mutwa tsuko kusia hosi bana munzaba sesende okusia mutwa hiko kosi okubanza bamasaba esende tome iko kuyakabere bamasaba esende tome iko kuyakasatu bamasaba esende tome iko kuyakana bamasaba esende nare yakatano batusabiri esende imisio miliyoni twasibulire nero twabulire nga tukendi asante sana ikutwa musuba yatoteka.
He's in bad condition and he's telling me he's in need of money. He's lacking close to 10 million to assure that he's coming to normal.
Zei Bwambare baziro bwire nazo mu irware lya Bwera General Hospital ukutunga obujanja bi hamwe no kubugabugana ho mushahowe konkembera te kuhindukaho.
His body is really so scaring. So I call upon for all the well-wishers outside there to come out and help this old man. The old man has reached several health care, the clinics, hospitals, but what I have got to know that they have not gotten any disease affecting Mr. Nzabara.
Gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo, our Sky TV, again Shong.